Fuck off, that sounds so heavy, bro. But it's 149 euros. I don't like it. I feel like this one's too big on me. This really fancy cocktail bar. It's so beautiful. Sipping on. Good morning, gang. Ignore the darkness, ignore the quality. I don't have light in this room. But it's day 2 of shopping. Yesterday I low-key forgot to vlog. But peep the breakfast. That shit has been my breakfast for the past 3, if not 4 days. It's actually so bad. And I have to wash dishes, that's why I don't have a plate. So I've been using this fucking napkin, bro. Uni life stuff. Cycles of our lives. We don't know where the fuck we are. We're low-key lost. Show the backgrounds. Kabar. It's like the sound of Kabar. What's up, gang? It's the end of the vlog officially. Short vlog, chill life. I don't know why I'm wearing this hat, but let me show you my 2 pickups. My first 2 pickups of Milan. Let's get into it. First pickup, we got this COS. Beautiful, beautiful COS. I guess you can call it jacket. I don't even think you saw it in the vlog because I never tried it on. And I'm not going to try it on for you now because I can't be asked. It's currently 11 p.m. on a Tuesday. And I'm tired and I was laying cozy in bed. So I'm not gonna try this shit on for you. But here, peep the details. With a high neck, long sleeve. I'm also my pyjama, so excuse that. This was the only item that was not on Black Friday sale, so I paid 69 euros. Yeah, 69. You know who I'm talking to. My second pickup I got yesterday in an organic store. Unsurprisingly, honestly, a purchase outside of the box outside my comfort zone, because usually I wear dark colors. I got a scarf for a shocking 22 euros. Let me show you. This is the scarf. Loki looks like Acne Studios. It's so cozy. The material is polyester. It does not feel like polyester. Maybe that's why it's 22 euros. The only problem is I don't know how to wear big scarves. I was trying to put it on. My friend was helping me. She made it look good. I made it look shit. So I'm gonna have to figure it out. But this definitely a piece outside of my comfort zone, which makes me happy because you girl gotta experience the. I can't talk. It's been a long day. Okay, it's actually not been a long day. You need to start it again. Anyway, I was saying, time to experiment a bit with color. I can wear all black fit and then throw this blue yellow scarf on, and it's winter, so it's gonna keep me warm and it's comfortable. I'm trying not to swear. Anyway, that's it for the short ass vlog. I don't know what to record here because my life's the same. If you guys have some beautiful recipes to my actually I'm vlogging for my friends only. Whatever. Hi peep guys. The people that don't know me, if you have recipes for me to cook, please let me know. Also follow my TikTok popping up. Follow my TikTok because you guys are sleeping on it. And obviously follow my fucking YouTube, bro. I'm trying to fund my uni life. You know how much rent costs? Yeah, I need some money. Peace out.